Hello? Do you mind if I sit here? Not at all. Do you mind if I make a sound like an ostrich? No? Akapapa! Akapapa! Whee! That didn't sound like any ostrich I've ever heard before. Okay. Why don't you make a sound like an ostrich then, if you're such an ostrich expert? Okay. Akapapa! Akapapa! Whee! That sounded like my ostrich sound. Yes. It would seem that we share a similar misunderstanding of ostrich sounds. Yes. I would like to sit down now, please. No, you may only sit when your ostrich sound has been deemed accurate. But neither of us know what an ostrich sounds like. Hey, you two, keep it down back there. Sorry, bus driver. Yes, sorry. Akapapa! Akapapa! Whee! Ooh. We were close. Yes. Well? Well, what? Where is my ostrich sound, then? Do you really need me to make said sound of said ostrich, now that we have both heard an ostrich? Yes, for I have the chronic OCD, and need you to finish said task before you sit down, or my entire family will get rabies. Fine then. Here you go. Hey, you two! Keep it down back there! That was a truly sublime ostrich impression. For that, you may now commence the sitting! I wish I did not have to resort to public transport because I lost my license for speeding in a school zone. Yes, I am what you deserve.
Now you know better. Don't drive fast where kids are at.
This has been a paid-for message by ostriches.